Hello class, this is a video tutorial on consecutive percentage changes. The standard method of consecutive percentage changes is to apply them individually. Please note that percentages do not add or subtract. I'll demonstrate in this first example. So let's say we have a $50 product and it's going to go from the person who made it, the manufacturer, to the person who's going to distribute it at a 15% profit. So the person who made it wants a 15% profit, so they're going to increase this first by 15%. The distributor then is going to sell this onto the market for another 8% profit. I'll start with the most common incorrect thing that people assume. A lot of people think you would just add 15 plus 8 gives you a 23% increase. And then from here, you would find 23%, so 0.23 times 50, whatever that is, and then add that to the original. So this is the incorrect way of viewing a consecutive percentage increase. What you would actually have to do is you would do them individually. By that we mean we find 15% of 50. Oops. So let's do that first. So 15%, so 0.15 times 50 gives you 7.5, and then add that on, gives you 57.5. And then you would increase this again. So you would find 8% of this and then increase it again. So 8% of 57.5. So 0.08 times 57.5. That gives you 4.6. Then we would add this on to the new original of 57.5. This gives you a final amount of $62.10. So notice how we are applying them individually, applying the changes individually. We find 50% of 50, increase it, and then we find 8% of the new value and increase this amount. This is what we mean of applying them individually. And this is the correct way of doing it. We do not add or subtract percentages before we increase them. So let's do another example just to demonstrate this. Here's another one. So we have an employee is entitled to a 5% store discount. And then if the store has a 12% sale, and then this employee buys $250 worth of goods, how much would they pay? So this is showing that the employee has a 5% discount, but the store has a 12% discount already. Again, the incorrect way is that a lot of people think you would have a 17% discount. Remember that this is incorrect. For this, you would have to find 5% first. So it's 5% of the 250, whatever that might be. So 0.05 times 250. That is 5% of 250, which is 12.5 or $12.50. Then we take the original amount and we subtract that first discount. So 250 minus $12.50 gives you 237.50. So that is the first discount. And then from this, we would find the 12% discount on that new amount. So 12% on the new amount of 237 50. So 0.12 times 237.50. That's a discount of $28.50. And the new discounted amount, so 237.50 minus this new amount that we've calculated. So 237.50 minus the second discount. This gives us $209. So notice how with both of these, you would have to increase it twice individually, and we do not add or subtract the discounts. So this is what we mean about a consecutive percentage change. So I hope that gave you an insight into how we increase or decrease an amount by a percentage more than once. And this is simply the first method of doing this. In the next video, I'll demonstrate to you a quicker way of doing this. And yeah, I'll hope to see you then, and best of luck.